Tivonette Review 2025 Legit clothing store or online fashion scam. Most people get this wrong by assuming new online clothing stores are scams. The surprising truth is that Tivonette appears to be a legit store, but cautious research is key before purchasing. Tivonette offers a wide range of fashion items including dresses, tops and accessories. You won't believe the variety, with detailed product images and descriptions. Users report receiving items, as described, with accurate sizing and quality fabrics. Some customers mention longer shipping times and occasional stock limitations. Payment options include secure methods like PayPal and credit cards, with SIL encryption for safety. The surprising truth is that even legit stores can have delays, so it's essential to review return policies and shipping timelines. In conclusion, Tivonette is a legit online fashion store. Most people get this wrong by assuming unfamiliar sites are scams. With proper precautions, shopping here can be safe and satisfying, offering stylish pieces at reasonable prices.